Want to earn extra cash from the comfort of your home? Online surveys can be a great way to supplement your income, but it's crucial to steer clear of scams. We'll show you how to identify legitimate survey sites and earn over $100 a day, though remember, consistency and effort are key to achieving this. We'll debunk the myths and highlight trustworthy platforms, revealing the secrets to making money online without falling for deceptive offers. Get ready to see real examples of successful earners and learn proven strategies to maximize your profits. It's time to turn your spare time into real money. Let's dive into 3 top-rated survey sites: Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Prolific. We'll guide you through the simple sign-up process for each, showing you exactly how it's done. Discover their unique features. Some offer rewards beyond cash, like gift cards. We'll reveal typical payouts per survey, so you know what to expect. See real-life examples of completed surveys and proof of payments received, building your confidence in these platforms. By understanding each site's strengths, you can choose the best fit for your earning goals and preferences. Get ready to start earning. Ready to boost your survey earnings? Let's explore some powerful strategies. First, target high-paying surveys. Don't waste time on low-reward options. Complete your profile surveys thoroughly. Accurate information ensures you get matched with relevant, higher-paying opportunities. Don't limit yourself to one site. Using multiple platforms increases your chances of finding available surveys. Finally, efficient time management is key. Prioritize surveys based on pay and time commitment, maximizing your earning potential per hour. By implementing these tips, you'll significantly improve your income from online surveys. Protecting yourself from survey scams is crucial. Beware of upfront fees. Legitimate sites never charge you to participate. Unrealistic promises of quick riches are a major red flag. Always check the website's legitimacy. Look for secure connections, HTTPS, and professional design. Never share sensitive personal information beyond what's strictly required for the survey. Legitimate sites prioritize your privacy. Stick to reputable platforms we've reviewed and researched thoroughly before joining any new survey site. Your caution will protect your time and financial security. We've explored how to earn a substantial income from legitimate online surveys. Remember, consistent effort and smart strategies are key. Start by focusing on a couple of reputable sites to build a solid foundation. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate massive returns. It takes time to build momentum. Stay persistent, utilize the tips we've shared, and gradually increase your earnings. Ready to start your journey towards a consistent income stream? Subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips, and visit our website for additional resources. Let's make money together.